Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. There's no denying that singer Khumalo is one of the most bullied celebrities in South Africa after people demanded her to answer who killed Senzo Meyiwa after he was killed in her first Lourdes home years ago, you guys. Now, you guys, she continues being trolled after a video of grade R kids in a classroom mocked her and sang a song calling her sfebe Goli who killed Senzo Meyiwa. Now, people have called the kids disrespectful behavior and the teacher who is allegedly the one responsible for taking the video, you guys. And also, it turned out that the song originates from a group of Zulu men singing it in a veld. Now, check out those videos, you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. So here's the video.
Sabulala Meyiwa Samzondo Kheli Khumalo Hey sabulala me hawu Samzondo Kheli Khumalo Yebo sabulala me Samzondo Kheli Khumalo sabulala hawu Samzondo Kheli Khumalo Yeah sabulala me Samzondo